Okay, everyone. I just want to give you some additional guidance for your research journal number 7. So, I say, what question or a series of related questions have you decided to research? What led you to ask this question? What makes answering this question meaningful to you? What do you feel will be gained by trying to answer it? Why is it an important question to ask? Write down your response in a 300 or more words. Turn this into Icon Canvas under Research Journal number 7. So basically what I want you to do is think about the question you want to ask and tell me what led you to ask it. So for example, last semester I had a girl write about whether or not it's in the best interest of elephants to be kept in a zoo. And the reason she asked that question is she went to a zoo in Des Moines, I think it was, and felt that the elephants looked particularly unhappy in their habitat. And then when she wrote to the zoo to say, hey, the elephants seem like they're unhappy or like they're being mistreated, the zoo totally ignored her, which then made her wonder, okay, is this legit what they're doing? So she began to do research on what is the best way to treat captive elephants. Ended up being a very good paper. I want to know, what do you hope to gain by your research, or what's at stake with your research? So, for example, another student last semester wrote about football at Iowa, and what she was interested in was whether or not football culture is good for the university, so that she looked at things like revenue and stuff like that, but then she also looked at the fact that frequently during football games, alcohol-related injuries spike, sexual assaults spike, things like that. And so she kind of wondered, okay, what is the overall effect of this on a university and a university's culture and for the students? And she focused particularly on Iowa, because football culture varies from school to school and things like that. So, what she gained, or what she hoped to gain, was to find out, is this something that unites us? Is this something that is helpful to the community? Or is this something that maybe the negatives outweigh the positives? And so she really had something at stake in that question, and she was someone who actually really liked Iowa football. So, she wanted to find out, is this something we should support or not? And so that's kind of the things I want to get from you in this assignment. I know you haven't done your research yet, and so try and be open. So don't make up your mind before you do your research. Be ready to be wrong. Be ready to change your mind. But what do you think is going to be gained by answering this question? Why should we care about answering it? And what brought you to this question? What made you feel that this question was important, or what made you ask it in the first place? So good luck. If you have any questions that I didn't answer with this video, just post them in the comments below. And other than that, I will see you in class.